Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you all are good and doing well at home. Children, yesterday in our EVS class, I taught you about neighborhood and gave you an assignment of missing letters to complete in your notebooks. Children, I hope you all have completed your assignment work in your notebooks. Now, children, today I will give you true or false and match the following as an assignment to complete in your notebooks. But before starting the notebook work, I would like to give you a very short recap of the chapter, that is chapter number 3, My Neighborhood. So, I'm going to give this recap so that those children who have missed my last video can understand from this video and complete their assignment work properly in their notebooks. So for this, children, you have to listen my video very carefully. Okay? So turn your book to page number 20, chapter number 3, My Neighborhood. Children, yesterday I told you what is a neighborhood. So as you can see in this picture, a neighborhood is a place where you can get all the facilities like market, okay, hospital, school, police station, bank, okay, many shops, coffee shop, all the facilities which you use in your daily life are provided in your neighborhood. Okay, children, so there are many places near a house. Okay, many places near your house. There are many places. That means there might be hospitals, there might be schools, there might be markets, and so on. Okay. Many families live and people work in these places. Around your house there are many families also living with you all. So those families are the people living within our society are also called our neighbors. Okay, so you understand the concept of neighborhood and neighbors. Now neighbors always make our life safe and comfortable. They are very helping nature. They are of very helping nature and they help each other on any occasions, different occasions. Okay, and the main thing is that we should keep our neighborhood very clean and we should also be friendly with our neighbors. Now children, every neighborhood has some useful services like market. Market is a place from where you can buy many things and you can buy everything from the market like grocery, clothes, medicines, fruits, vegetables, books, toys, and many more things. Okay, then comes post office. Post office is a place from where you can buy stamps, postcards, envelopes, etc. As well as you can also, after writing the letters, you can also drop them in a letter box. Then the postman collects those letters and take them to different places through vans, buses, trains, and aeroplanes. Okay, so post office is used, not only used for sending the letters to your friends and relatives, but it is also used to buy stamps, postcards, envelopes, and so on. Okay, children, then the next part is hospital. Hospital is very necessary in our neighborhood, as when we get sick we go to a hospital. Okay, children, the doctor gives us medical checkup and tells us what medicines to take. Whenever you are sick, you go to a hospital and the doctor checks you up. He gives you medical checkup and medicines too. He tells about the medicines that you have to take. Now hospitals also give services like services of an ambulance, okay, to bring the patients in emergency. So if you want to call an ambulance, you can call it by dialing 102. Okay, children, so this is the importance of hospital. Now next comes your banks. Bank is a place where you keep your money safe. Okay, you keep your jewelry safe in the locker of a bank, and banks also provide you ATM facility from where you can take out money at any time and from anywhere. Okay, wherever you are. आप अगर अपने घर के बाहर कहीं पर भी होगे, लाइक आप अपने सिटी से भी अगर बाहर होगे, अपने कहीं भी किसी भी कॉर्नर में, अपने देश के किसी भी कॉर्नर में अगर आप होगे, so you will be able to take out money through the ATMs. Okay, so there will be no problem in taking out money. Now comes the police station. Police station is the headquarter of a local police force. Police station is a place where many policemen are there and they help in maintaining the law and order. Okay, they catch thieves and criminals and put them behind the bars. The main purpose of policemen is to catch the thieves and criminals, to maintain law and order, and they also controls the crowds during fairs and festivals and other processions. Okay children, and whatever happens in your society, whatever wrong happens in your society, if you want to complain or if you want a police help in any case, then you can dial 100 on the telephone. Okay, for the immediate help of police. Now the traffic policeman controls traffic on the roads. Traffic policemen are those policemen who controls the traffic. They have the concern only with the traffic on roads. Okay, and we should always follow traffic rules to prevent accidents. We should never go against the traffic rules. Okay children, now the last is fire station. So the fire station is also an important service cell in the neighborhood, as whenever there is an emergency of fire, if fire breaks out in any part of your neighborhood, then who will you call? You will call a fire brigade. Okay, you will call to fire station and you will call a fire brigade. With the fire brigade, there you will be provided with many firefighters. Okay, those firefighters will come and they will use big ladders and hose pipes to put out the fire. Okay, their job is to use big ladders and they climb on those ladders and use the hose pipes, that is big pipes, very big and thick pipes, through which water comes out in a very with a very great pressure. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ प्रेशर के साथ उसमें से पानी आता है और आग को बुझाने में मदद करता है. So if there is any fire breakout in your neighborhood, so you should always call 101 for a fire brigade help. Is that clear children? So these are some points which you have to consider, which you have to think about, and that is all in your chapter. Okay children, now children, I am going to show you the EVS notebook. Okay children, this is your EVS notebook, and here we have completed chapter number 3, missing letters, which I gave you yesterday. Okay, so you must have completed all the missing letters like this only. Okay, there are total 8 missing letters. Okay children, first one is neighborhood, second is market, third is post office, then hospital, bank, police station, fire brigade, traffic. So I hope you all have completed the first part, that is missing letters of this chapter, in the same way which I have given to you. Now coming to the next part that I am giving you today is part number B, true or false. Okay children, so you have to do in the same manner as I have done in this notebook. First of all, you will write the date, then you will mention B part, then you will write the heading true or false. Okay, then first one, you will write the sentence, people in the neighborhood are called neighbors. Is it true or false? It is true. People living in the neighborhood are our neighbors. Okay. Then number 2, from second line, you will write, we buy stamps, postcards, envelopes from police station. Do we buy stamps, postcards and envelope from police station? Is it true or false? It is false. Okay, children. Then the third one, when we are sick, we go to the hospital. Yes, of course, it is true, because whenever we are sick, we go for the medical help, and that is, we go to hospital. Then number 4th, we keep our money in hospital. Is it true or false? Do we keep our money in hospital or in banks? Yes, we keep our money in banks and not in hospitals, so it is false. Now, the 5th sentence, the traffic policeman controls the traffic on the roads. It is true. Why it is true? Because the traffic policeman controls the traffic on the roads. It is his duty to control the traffic on the roads. Is that clear, children? So, you will write all these 5 true false in the same manner as I have given in this, as I have written in this notebook, and you have to do in the same manner. Okay, very neatly and very nicely. Okay, then next part which I will give you to which I am going to give you today is part number C, that is match the following. Okay, so in this, first of all, you will mention the part, that is C. Then you will write the heading match the following, and then one side very neatly, very nicely you will write the words, and leaving some space after that you will write some words here also as answers. Okay, so first one is hospital, second is post office, third is bank, fourth is police station, fifth fire station, sixth neighborhood. And here you will write the words postman, doctor, law and order, money, clean and fire brigade. Okay, so first one is hospital, and and in the hospital what do we find? We find a doctor. So we will match a line from hospital to doctor. Is that clear? Then second one is post office. So पोस्ट ऑफिस से हमें कौन मिलता है? पोस्टमैन. ओके, सो वी विल draw a line from post office to postman. Is that clear, children? Then coming to the third one, that is bank. From here we will see what will be the right answer for bank. Money. We keep our money safe in the bank, so we will draw a line from bank to money. Is that clear, children? Now coming to the fourth part, that is police station. So police station, from here we will see the right answer is law and order. Police station, policeman maintains law and order. Is that clear, children? Now coming to the next part, that is fire station. Now from here we have left only two answers, that is clean and fire brigade. So fire station comes with fire brigade, so we will match it with fire brigade. We will draw a line from fire station to fire brigade. Then next is neighborhood. Neighborhood, we should always keep our neighborhood clean, so we will match neighborhood to clean. Is that clear, children? So now you have your homework to do these two parts. For first part you have done, that is missing letters. Okay, again you can see you have to do the missing letters in the same way which I have given. If you have not done, so you can do these as in the same way I have given. Okay, then after that you will do the B part, that is the assignment which I am giving today. So you have to do the true false like this in the same manner, and then the C part, that is match the following, again you have to do in the same manner as I am giving you. Is that clear, children? Now with this video I will be providing you the assignment. You will complete it in your copies as how you will complete as I have shown in the video. Okay, it should be same as I have done in the video. I will also provide you a picture of these two pages. Okay, now in the next video, that is tomorrow, I will show you how to do the next part, that is the D part, and in D part we will be doing name the following. Okay children, so till my next video, complete this much of work which is given till now, and children, do it very properly. Again and again I am telling you, do it very properly and very nicely. Maintain your notebooks neatly and nicely, and then start learning also. Okay, you have to learn all the work which you are doing day by day. Till then children, now I have to leave, so do take care of yourself children. Be happy, be safe, stay at home. God bless you. Bye bye.